After Coimbatore, or Coimbatore, I don't know how to say it, we had a bit of a sad stay here because our lovely Siamese cat, who had kidney issues, passed away while we were away. Well, there was no way she was going to make it till we got home. And her name was Kishkurva. She was a very, very good cat. So today we're riding. As I said, we're off to Coimbatore, which means going down the Dimbam Ghat, the Dhinbam Ghat, which is quite a famous one, quite a beautiful one. But over 14 kilometers, there's 27 switchbacks. So it will be a challenging day.
Got some petrol before we go, okay?
Oh yeah!
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Na 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 na. Eh 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 yeah. Na 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 na. Eh 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 yeah. Everybody on the floor, it's time to turn it up. Gonna play the music louder. Turn down for what? Everybody wind your body, make your body work. Come on and do your thing. Come on, do work. Do work. Do work. Do work. Do work.
So we've got a roadside stop. We've done about 70 kilometers so far. It's easy. It's actually an easy run today.
Other than leaving town.
Which, again, they're doing so much road work. It's crazy. It's good, but it's crazy.
We need to scratch occasionally.
Yep. Do these.
Only natural if you feel it in your soul. You know it's banging when you're dancing through the door. Everybody want your body, make your body work. Everybody do your thing. Come on, do it. Come on.
We don't stop here. Stop.
Oh yeah,
Dimbam Ghat.
it's okay if you want to stand against the wall. The rhythm's gonna get your body moving before long. Come on and do the monkey, shake your body, do the jerk.
Yeah, press the back up.
Everybody do the party. Come on, do work.
Alright. Over. Alright. Those are the ones you gotta watch out for.
Do work, do work, na 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 yeah. Do work, do work, na 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 yeah. Do work, na 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 yeah. Do work, na 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 yeah. It's okay if you want to stand against the wall. The rhythm's gonna get your body moving before long. It's okay if you want to stand against the wall. The rhythm's gonna get your body moving before long.
This is my lane! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! With the side stand. Thank you. Okay. All good. Thank you. All good, thank you.
You need some water.
No, that's fine. I'm good, thank you. Thank you so much. All good. Right hand turn,
Yeah.
and I mean I was coming down in first doing 20,
Yeah.
but halfway, and I tried to stay as out as I could. Small truck coming up at full speed on my lane, blocking my whole way,
Oh, well, that's.
and I
hardly
had
your
to
fault.
brake. I couldn't. There was nowhere. I couldn't because I was into mid-turn,
Yeah.
and I had to brake. And even though I didn't have speed braking, I eventually, because the road was like this, the camber was so inclined, and I dropped the bike, and it was straight in the middle of the road.
Head north on Bannari Bhavani Sagar Road, Puliyampatti Bhavani Sagar Bannari Road, then turn right.
Only natural if you feel it in your soul. You know it's banging when you're dancing through the door. Everybody want your body, make your body work. Everybody do your thing. Come on, do work. Come on now. Do work. Do work. Na 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 yeah. Do work. Do work. Na 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 yeah. Do work. It's okay if you want to stand against the wall. The rhythm's gonna get your body moving before long. Come on and do the monkey, shake your body, do the jerk. Everybody do the party. Come on, do work. Come on, yo.
Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I would never have believed that something like this exists if someone told me.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
It was insane coming in. And it's a bit.
4.5 or 5 kilometers of this,
Yeah.
non-stop.
Yeah, totally.
Hands completely.
Pretty and gorgeous.
Yeah.
So we're here in this lovely 4-star hotel. We're going to, when our luggage comes, we're going to have a shower and then go to the bar, I think.
Yeah, hit the bar, have something to eat and sleep because tomorrow we're taking off again. We're
Yeah.
not staying here.
We'll see.
So, and it's gonna be another long day.
Yeah.
So another 2 long days. So
Yeah.
fun.
Yay. Okay. We'll see you on the next video.